Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you will not miss a future video.
Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid.
A black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille. What is up, everyone? The Tech Piano Player Kid here. And today, I'm going to be showing you a really cool feature that Apple might be releasing. I'm saying might. But as of now, it seems it's going to happen. And it's the ESpeak voices. Wait, what? Yup, you heard me correctly. Apple may be releasing the ESpeak voices. Now, you do need a separate app for this. I guess it's just because it's just easier that way. I don't know. Now, the way I figure out how to do this is a little bit weird, but it's the only way to do it.
Social folder.
Maybe it'll be done. So, right now it's in beta, so I will include the link down below. You'll need to download the Test Flight app on the App Store. I will include the link down below in the description. And then I will also include the link for the Test Flight link to get into the beta. You must be at least 13 years of age to do this, according to this. So I don't know what you need to do. If you're under 13, you probably need to do the things it tells you to do. But I didn't see any age verification process, but who knows. Anyway, let's go ahead and do this. And we'll take a look at it.
ESpeak beta.
So it's called ESpeak.
Characters action character E cap P E A K hyphen cap N cap G comma
ESpeak-NG. So we'll double tap on it. Come on.
initial app
There we go.
initial app version supporting speak. What to tap expires in version 1. ESpeak from the developer from next start
Next.
testing.
Start testing. There we go.
ESpeak pick volume 1 rate 100 synthesize text to speak. Hello synthesize button speech off
So here's the first one.
Hello.
Do it again.
Hello.
So that's that.
speech off tech voice language select voice selector none button
So
pop-up button.
I'm going to try and close this.
apps closing ESpeak
So we're going to go to
iPhone ESpeak
we're going to go to settings here.
iPhone folder 6 I book health what settings screen time button screen time general button
We're going to go to accessibility.
display homes accessibility but vision zoom off voiceover on button
Go to voiceover.
braille but voiceover recognition
Now, I try to go to speech and then the voices, whatever it's called, and change it from there. It does not seem to be there, but let's double check it anyway.
verbosity audio commands activities
Oops.
braille speech
There it
button
is.
pitch heading pronunciation pitch change detect languages voiceover will switch voices when text pronunciation voice Noel button selected Evan Ava button Bruce eloquent ESpeak button
Oh, what do you know? It is right there. Okay. I guess I didn't install it first and then do it. So you can actually just go here and click on ESpeak.
English us and Rob and Andrew Alicia Alex Adam English us
And you
heading
have all these English US and Australian stuff.
and Antonio Rose fast female and fast and ESpeak Edward to ESpeak
So I'll click
actions
on
available.
ESpeak.
Selected. ESpeak. Edward 2. Edward. And. Logo. Action. Selected. Evan. Fred. Joel. Fred. Button.
Joel. It's Joel.
Joel. Jr. Kathy. Nathan. Nikki. Noel. Button. Ralph. Samantha. Siri. Button. iPhone. iTunes Store. Books. iTunes Store. App Store. iPhone. Page 1 of 3. Adjustable. Settings. 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 Joel. Fred. Kathy. Nathan. Nikki. Noel.
So,
Button.
so that's a little bit of that. I'm going to switch it back to Noel.
English. Head. Noel enhanced. Using 104.
Selected Noel enhanced using 146 MB.
So that's a little bit of ESpeak there. I mean, for those who like ESpeak, you can download this. Again, you need to download the Test Flight app. Just search for Test Flight on the App Store. You'll find it. If you can't find it, then I'll include it in the comments below and help you out. And then the link for the... Actually, when you click on the link to test the beta, it will tell you to download the Test Flight app on the App Store. So there's a button there you can click on, and then it will help you out there. And once it's downloaded, you can click on the link again. And then after everything is installed and everything, you got to go through the process of the Test Flight app. Then once everything's done, you can go back to the link, click on it, and it will help you to install it and just follow the instructions. So yeah, pretty cool. So if you're interested in getting this, then just follow the link down below in the description and go from there. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss a future video. You can also follow me on Twitter, tech_piano, and follow me on Facebook, TheTechPianoPlayerKid. And for emails, you can send them to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. And for those who want to give me a call or text, you can do so by messaging or calling 913-312-1325. And if you do not live in the United States, you can use WhatsApp to message me or call me through there. And I will see you later in the next video. God bless you all, and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below. For questions, please send an email to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. You can also give a call or text at 913-312-1325. And don't forget to like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, tech_piano. Black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille, then fades to black.